Good morning, Miss Carter. I'm at the library because I want to read some books. Can you help me pick out a few interesting ones? Good morning, Alex. I'd be happy to help. What types of books do you enjoy? Do you prefer stories, adventures, nature, or maybe something about science? I really like storybooks with adventures, and I'm also interested in books about animals and nature. Plus, I'm curious about space and stars. That sounds great, Alex. Our library has plenty of sections that would interest you. We have a fiction section for stories and adventures, a nature section with books about animals and plants, and a science section that covers space and stars in an easy-to-understand way. Would you like to check them all out? Yes, please. I'd love to explore every section. Let's begin with the fiction section. Follow me. Here, you'll find a variety of books filled with exciting stories. Take a look at the covers and read the short summaries on the back. They can help you choose which story might be enjoyable to read. Wow, there are so many books. I see tales about pirates, magic, brave knights, and even talking animals. I think I want to pick the one with the brave knight. That's an excellent choice. Stories about heroes can teach you a lot about courage and friendship. Now, let's head over to the nature section. In the nature section, you'll find books about animals, forests, and plants. Many of these books feature large, colorful pictures that depict animals in their natural habitats. They use simple language, making it easy for you to learn while enjoying the stunning visuals. I really love these pictures. They make me feel like I'm exploring a forest or watching animals at play. I think I'll choose a book about wild animals. Great choice. Reading about nature helps you better understand the world around you. If you have time afterward, we can check out the science section too. In the science section, you'll find books that explain space, stars, and planets. One of my favorite books is called Journey Through the Stars. It features simple illustrations and explains space in a way that's easy to grasp. Student, that sounds really exciting. I've always been curious about how stars are formed and how planets move. I would love to read that book. Teacher, I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Every book has something new to teach you. Reading not only entertains you but also helps expand your vocabulary and improves your performance in school. I never thought about reading that way. I always read for fun, but now I realize it also helps me learn new words and ideas. Exactly, Alex. Reading is like going on a little adventure every time you open a book. It helps your mind grow. If you come across a word you don't understand, you can jot it down and ask a librarian or look it up later. Some students even keep a small notebook for new words. That sounds like a great idea. I'll start my own word notebook so I can remember new words and learn their meanings. Now, let's talk about borrowing books. Do you know how to check out a book from the library? Yes, I think I do. I need my library card, and then I go to the front desk where the librarian helps me check out the book. That's exactly right. With your library card, you can borrow a book for a few weeks. If you return it on time, you can borrow another one. This way, you get to read a variety of books over time. That sounds really fun. I love the idea of exploring different books and topics. Remember, Alex, the library is a quiet place where everyone comes to learn and read. We ask that you speak softly and follow the library rules so that everyone can enjoy their reading time. I understand. I will be quiet and respectful of the other readers. That's very important. A quiet library helps you focus on the book and enjoy the story without any distractions. I've also heard about a reading club that meets here. Can you tell me more about it? Of course. The reading club is a gathering where students and sometimes teachers come together to discuss the books they are reading. Everyone shares their favorite parts, asks questions, and sometimes even acts out scenes from the stories. That sounds fun and interactive. I would really like to join the reading club to share my thoughts and hear what others think. I think you'll really enjoy it. When you check out your next book, just ask the librarian about signing up for the reading club. It's a friendly group, and talking about books can really help you understand the stories better. Besides these topics, are there other parts of the library I should explore? Absolutely, there are plenty of areas to discover. In addition to fiction, nature, and science, we have sections dedicated to history, art, and biographies of notable figures. If you're interested in how people lived in the past or want to learn about great artists, those sections are perfect for you. That sounds fascinating. I really like the idea of exploring different times and people. I think I'll check out a history book next time. That's a fantastic choice. Each book offers a glimpse into a different world. You can find out how people lived, what they believed, and how they tackled challenges. Also, our library has computers with an online catalog. You can use it to search for any topic or title that piques your interest. Just type in a word like animals or space, and the computer will guide you to the right book. Wow, that sounds super helpful. I'll make sure to learn how to use the computer catalog so I can find books more quickly. It will definitely make things easier for you, Alex. And remember, if you ever need assistance, any librarian here is more than willing to help. The library is a supportive place for everyone's learning journey. I'm really happy and excited about reading and learning new things today. The library feels like a treasure chest filled with adventures and knowledge. I'm so glad to hear that, Alex. Every book you read opens up a new door to adventure and learning. Enjoy your time here, ask lots of questions, and remember, every page is a new discovery. Thank you, Miss Carter. I'll take your advice and start my reading journey with a big smile. I can't wait to borrow the book about wild animals and maybe the one about stars, too. You're very welcome, Alex. Enjoy adventures in the wild and journey through the stars when you get the chance. Also, don't forget to join the reading club. It's a great way to share your thoughts and learn from your friends. I will definitely do that. Thank you for guiding me through the library and teaching me so much about reading and learning. It's my pleasure, Alex. Happy reading, and remember that every book you pick up makes your world a little bigger. Have a wonderful day in the library, and I can't wait to hear about your reading adventures soon. Thank you, Miss Carter. I'm excited to start reading and join the reading club. Have a great day, and happy reading to you too.